Welcome to our guide on how to search and filter transactions in Docyt. Take advantage of the filter options located at the top of your screen to easily sort through transactions based on specific criteria. Filter date range. To change the date range of the transactions you are currently viewing, simply use the drop-down menu for dates. Filter by transactions description. To locate transactions that map specific keywords, simply enter your search terms into the transaction description field. Filter by transaction type. Use the drop-down menu labeled Transaction Type to easily categorize transactions according to their specific types. Filter by banking account. You can use the drop-down menu to sort transactions by specific banking accounts. Filter by amount. Use this filter to sort transactions by exact amount or by amount range. Filter by transaction nature. Use this filter to sort transactions based on whether they are split transactions, manually added, duplicate transactions, or verified transactions. Filter by documentation. This filter sorts transactions as documented transactions or undocumented transactions based on their supporting documentation status. Filter by QBO push status. This filter sorts transactions based on their status, including all, push to QBO disabled, push to QBO pending, and error in pushing to QBO. And there you have it. You have now learned how to search and filter transactions. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.